Hi friends, I welcome you all at Crack Grade B. In the video lecture series of NABARD Grade A exam, today we are going to cover disease in domestic animals, and this is the part 1. We will cover this lecture in two parts. So this is the part 1 and this lecture can be important for your phase 1 and phase 2 exam. Before moving ahead, I would like to inform you that we are offering a course at ₹2499 for this NABARD Grade A and Grade B exam. In this course, we are covering economic and social issues static part, agriculture and rural development static part, government schemes, ESI, ARD current affairs, and current affairs we are covering from Yojana, Kurukshetra and PIB websites. We are also covering report and indexes from the various national and international institutions. We are covering agriculture and statistics. We are covering circulars notification reports from the RBI and NABARD. Moreover, we are offering 5 ESI ARD mock tests for phase 1 and phase 2 respectively. If you want to purchase our course, you can visit our website www.crackgradeb.com. Friends, what is the meaning of health? What is the importance of this health in any livestock, in any domestic animal? So the condition in which all the organs and tissue in the system functions normally and harmoniously is called the healthy condition. It is called healthy condition. Any change from normal state either to single or great extent is called disease stage. So health is a fundamental for sound enterprises, for sound production of livestock in terms of meat, in terms of milk, in terms of other products which we can get from these livestock. Disease can be classified in bacterial, viral, mycotic, metabolic form. Bacterial disease are BQ, HS, viral disease are FMD, RP, mycotic disease are dermatitis, hypokalpica, it is a metabolic disease. So we will see the various disease in subsequent slides, how their disease happened, what are their repercussions and what can be the preventive measures and how you can control these diseases. For your exam point of view, you can see that you can have any type of questions because it is a very important topic for NABARD Grade exam, because you can have any type of question from this topic. So first we can classify this domestic disease in two sections. The first is infectious or contagious disease. The second are non-infectious and non-contagious disease. In infectious sections, you can classify it in bacterial, viral, parasitic and fungal form. In non-infectious type, you can classify these disease in metabolic and dietary form. Under this bacterial, you can have anthrax, black quarters, hemorrhagic specticalmia, TB, brucellosis. These are the bacterial disease. Viral disease can be rinderpest, foot and mouth. Parasitic disease can be ectoparasitic, tick, lice and mite. Endoparasitic can also be tapeworm. And under this fungal disease, you can have flectochiosis. Under this metabolic, milk fever, hypokalemia, acetoanemia, hypoglycemia, ketosis. These are the metabolic disease. Dietary disease can be type of tympanitis, bloat, infection, non-specific enteritis. So these are the classification of the disease. You can classify this disease according to this section. Now we'll see the first most important disease of this cattle animal, foot and mouth disease. It is a highly communicable disease found for any cattle, for any domestic animal. It is identified by this cloven-footed animals like this. It is caused due to the smallest of the animal virus. This is a 7-type virus we have found. OAC Asia 1 Set 1, 2, 3. These are the types of virus which cause this food and mouth disease. It is transmitted with the direct contact through water, through manure, pasture and cattle attendant. Its incubation period is 2 to 5 days. The temperature is 40 degree and the symptoms are drooling of saliva, loss of appetite, vesicles in tongue, gum, interdigital space, udder and teeth, rough coat with long hair painting. The animal lose appetite and the body weight of the milk production is also reduced. So it will affect the production of milk and meat. Lameness on account of painful foot lesion is also the symptoms like this, and the drooling of saliva you can see in this figure. The treatment of this foot and mouth disease is nil. It can be treated with external application of antiseptics contribute to the healing of ulcers and ward off attracted by the flies. Antibiotics may be administered to counter bacterial infection. Its prevention can be done with the help of disinfection of the shades, utensils, cloths of attendants. It can be controlled with the help of the vaccine like polyvalent ones, and it is given in the interval of the 4 months. The types of vaccine can be IPVM, 20 ml calves and 40 ml adults. The most destructive disease for the cattle animal is rinderpest, and it is found in the animal due to the virus. It is a viral disease. It is this is highly susceptible to the X breed and the pure breed. It is transmitted through the virus found notably on saliva, discharge from eyes, nostrils, urine and feces. Its incubation period are the disease found in 3 to 7 days, on 4 to 6 days, and the temperature range is 40 to 41 degree. Symptoms are loss of appetite like FMD, lacrimation, dryness of muscles, arcing of back, shooting diarrhea, ulcers in the mouth like this. The ulcer in the mouth is found within 7 to 9 days. The death can be happen after the 10th day. If it is not cured within this 10 days, on 10th day, your domestic animal can be died. Prevention can be done with the segregation of the affected animal, periodical and routine checkup, and disinfection of the shed. Control can be done with the help of the vaccine like TCRV, GTV, immunity, and 3 year of 1 ml SC in the neck. These are the prevention or control. The anthrax disease it is also a very dangerous disease found in any animal. It is a para-acute disease affecting the cattle, sheep, horse and pigs. Men are also susceptible, but it is not a primary host whole sorter disease. This disease is always fatal in the animal. It is a bacterial disease. What happened? Sporulation occurs outside the body. Spores highly resistant and not killed by the heat, light and disinfectant. So this disease is very fatal to any domestic animal. It is transmitted through infection grains entering to the body by the inhalation or through the skin. It is generally considered to the mode of infection is by ingestion of contaminated food or water. If animals are sharing food and water, then spreading of this disease can be happen. This can be treated with the help of the antibiotics, anti-anthrax serums, and commonly used for the treatment of this anthrax disease. Penicillin 5 million units twice a daily can also treat anthrax. Streptomycin 8 to 10 gram daily in 2 doses. Oxytetracycline apparently in the treatment of clinical cases after vaccination in the cattle. Anti-anthrax serum can also be given intravenously in doses of 100 to 250 daily in effective conjunction with the antibiotic. But it is too expensive for routine uses. This intravenous. Vaccination can also be done periodically in endemic area. The vaccine consists of leaving the attenuated strains of the organ with low virulence but capable of forming spores have been more successful. So this disease can be cured with the help of the vaccine. consist of live attenuated strains. Anthrax can be controlled with the help of the hygiene. Careful disposal of the infected material is most important. Infected carcasses should not be opened. It should be buried or burned together with the bedding and soil. Because if you will not take care of this carcass of infected animal, then it can contaminate the discharge and the soil, and it can spread to the other animal. Burial should be at least 6 feet deep with an ample supply of quicklime added. All suspected case in contact with, because you can have some insight from here, because I have told you that if you are burying any affected animal, you can bury this animal with the help of the lime. Disinfection of premises, hide, bones, nails, wool, hair requires special care. Disinfection, 5% of Lysol required to be in contact with the spores for at least 2 days. A strong solution of formalin or sodium hydrosalts can also be used for controlling of this anthrax. So friends, now you see the black quarter. It is an acute infectious disease, but it is not contagious. Remember this point, it is not contagious disease. Under this disease, inflammation of muscles and severe toxemia you will find in any animal like this. This is an inflammation of skin of any animal. It is generally affect young stock, mostly affected by the 6-month, 2-year disease outbreak. The disease outbreak generally happen on the rainy season. Symptoms are, animal may die without showing symptoms. Obvious sign, this is a very dangerous thing. It is showing no any symptoms and the animal can die. So it is a very detailed, very curable disease. If you will not if you will not pay any attention towards this disease, then it can be fatal because it shows no any symptoms. Moreover, when this disease found in animal, you will find crepitant swelling in hind and fourth quarter, which crackles when rubbed due to the gas in muscles, like this. Lameness, fever, twitching of muscles. Affected region is hot and painful, but become cold and painless. I mean to say here is that this area will swell with some type of gas, and if you will touch this area, it will crack, and you will find the skin like this in any animal. So after cracking of the bubble, the skin found here will not affect any animal, and it will become cold and painless. So animal will show no any symptoms, no any pain, but this disease can be fatal if not be cured within time. How can you diagnose this disease? Affected part is black or dark red, like this. Characteristics, rancid smell you will found. It can be controlled with the help of the hygiene and prophylaxis control. Prevention can be done with the help of the vaccine, and it should be done before the starting of the rainy season. So rainy season is going to be started and already started in many states. So vaccination can be started for prevention of this black quarter in your area. The vaccine can be used 5 ml polyvalent, Clostridium, antibiotics like penicillin and tetracycline can also be used. So friend, this was all from my side today. I will come up with more videos, more diseases for this cattle, and we will discuss these diseases in very comprehensive manner. So till then, thank you and happy learning. पढ़ते रहिए, मेहनत करते रहिए.